Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a graph in Google Sheets. Before you start creating your own graph, I encourage you to use the function Explore. The function Explore, if you don't know it, is located here at the bottom right of your screen. As I've clicked on it, and if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see that Google is going to use some artificial intelligence here to suggest to you a couple of graphs that might be useful based on the data that you have here in your spreadsheet. If I find a graph that is interesting and that I can already use, I can just go ahead and drag and drop. So as you can see here, Google has created a count of the category here, category on my column N, and I can see that we have office supplies, furniture, and technology. That sounds just about right. But let's imagine here that this graph that we have, that Google has created for us, just doesn't correspond to what I want to do. So I want to show you how you can also use create graphs manually. So if you go ahead and click on these three dots, we can just delete the chart, and I'm going to show you how to create that manually. How to create a graph or a chart manually. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and select your data range, okay? We want to make a chart based on the category. So I've just selected that. And then we go under Insert and Chart. Now, automatically, Google Sheets has suggested me the pie chart, but I'm not very happy with the pie chart. I would like to see something else. So if I go here under Chart Type, I will be able to select the type of graph that I want. So I have some lines, some area, column, bar, pie, etc., etc. Okay, you'll be able to just come here and select the type of chart that you want to use. As you can see on the top, Google Sheets is going to use some artificial intelligence to already suggest to you charts that might be intelligent or clever to use in this type of data. So I want to use this type of chart here that I have selected. The range and everything here is correct. And now I want to customize my graph. To do so, I just click on the Customize tab. If I click on Chart Style, for example, I will be able to change the background of my chart. I don't know how important this is, generally not much, but it's just good to know that this is, of course, an option that you have. As you can see here, there's so many other things that you can customize. I'll just go quickly through it with you. As you click here, you can, of course, change the title. So let's just say types. Okay. You can go ahead and, of course, change the font, change the size as well, put it in bold, so on and so forth. Okay. You can also put it in 3D. I forgot to show you that here. That looks a little bit better. Look at that. What else you can do? You can change the series. You can change the color. Let's say you want it in orange. There we go. Yeah, you can change the legend as well. I think it just looks just about right here. You can change the axis. Go ahead and do that. Okay. You can also come here and change the grid lines if that's something that you'd want to do. Just go here. You can also change the grid line count. But of course, there's an automatic version where Google Sheets is just going to suggest to you what just looks and sounds right. Okay. Yeah, there are so many ways that you can customize your chart. I just advise that you come here and explore this yourself. Once you're done, as you click on the chart, you'll see these three little dots. If you click on the save on the three little dots, you can move this chart to its own sheet. So as you can see here, you have chart 1, and we have inserted our graph just over here. So it has its own tab. That's pretty cool. So you can just move from your spreadsheet and you can retrieve your chart just over here. You can easily copy the chart and edit, publish, save it as an image, thanks to these buttons here on the top as well. Okay. So that was a very, very quick overview on how to use charts in Google Sheets. I hope this was useful. And if you have any questions, please do let us know and we'll be glad to help. Have a great day. Bye.